Hello, third grade. Happy Tuesday. It is different this week because we are starting our week with a Tuesday. Today, you guys are going to do a couple of different things. The first thing that you're going to do is you can start on writing your final draft. As a reminder, your writing assignment is due this weekend. On the 13th, it's where you design your own school. And we are going to go ahead and go over your new spelling words. So your spelling words, as always, there are 8 words. Your first spelling word is suspect. Suspect. Your second spelling word is spectrum. Spectrum. Your third spelling word is fantastic. That one has a lot of syllables. Fantastic. Your fourth spelling word is assistant. Assistant. The next spelling word is culprit. Culprit. The next one is aspect. Aspect. The next one is myth. That only has one syllable. Myth. And then your last spelling word is volunteer. Today, what you are going to do is you are going to actually find the definitions of each spelling word. Now, you guys are going to get a link for a dictionary website, and I will post it here on your assignment. You're going to go ahead and click that link. Now, I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. So, when you go to this website, it looks like this. Kids Wordsmith. So right here, we're on the left-hand side where it says Word Explorer, Children's Dictionary, you are going to write in your spelling word. So let's see here. I'm going to do suspect first. Suspect. Then you get this screen right here. There are 2 parts to each spelling word definition. There's the verb part and the noun part. Listen very carefully. I want you to write down both of the definition 1 under the verb and definition under the noun. So when you get this, you see that there's definition 1, definition on noun 2. Then you are going to write this down in your composition notebook. In your composition notebook, you should have it labeled on Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. I will post a picture of what that is supposed to look like. You are going to write each definition in your composition notebook. I'll show you here what that looks like. Let me just switch my screen here for you. Let's see here. Right here. So, as you can see, I have it labeled Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. Spelling word definitions. You're going to number it 1 through 8, just like this. Number 1, and then you're going to write the spelling word. Please underline the spelling word. If you do not underline the spelling word, you won't get full credit for your notebook check. So it says to believe to be true, one who is suspected of doing something wrong or of a crime. So this is the verb definition. So if you go back here, let me show you. If you go back here, it says definition 1, to believe to be true. And I also want you to write the definition of the noun. So if I were to do that for all of my spelling words, I technically have 2 sentences for each spelling word. So I'll do the next example with you. The next spelling word that I'm going to look up is spectrum. I'm going to type that in here and click go. Then look here. This one only has one definition. So if it only has one definition, you only have to write one. So here is the definition that you will copy down in your composition notebook. So the definition for spectrum is a band of colors that is formed when light is passed through a prism or in some other way. The 6 colors of a spectrum are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. This is the definition that will go in your composition notebook. You'll label it number 2, then you'll write spectrum and underline spectrum. Then you will write the definition that is listed here. I will show you a third example. I'm going to go ahead and write fantastic. Press go. Fantastic. There is a part of speech here, and it's just one part of speech, so you only have to write one definition. So this is the definition I would like you to write. Wildly imaginative and incredible. That's what number 3 would be. Underline adjective, write the definition. Then for number 4, which is assistant, you would type it in and click go. And then there's only one part of speech, so you only need one definition. A person who gives help, aid, or assistance. This is what I want you to write down for number 4. Underline the spelling word. Okay, that's what you have to do today for your spelling word practice. You are going to define each spelling word in your spelling word list. I have posted a worksheet where you can write down the definitions for the spelling words. And you write down each spelling word on the spelling word list in your composition notebook, okay? So to be clear, I've posted the list of spelling words, numbers 1 through 8, and then you're going to write the definitions in your composition notebook. And this is going to be checked for a notebook check, so if you don't have it labeled like you should, then you won't get full credit. I'm going to post the website you're going to use. That way you can click on it and simply go in and search on each spelling word. That way you know the meaning of each spelling word, and that way you can get good practice. If you have any questions, you can of course message Ms. Peterson and I will help you out. Once you're done with defining each spelling word, then I would work on your final draft, and your final draft is due this weekend. So please make sure that you're taking time to make it nice. You have the whole week this week to make sure that you have your final draft ready. Okay? I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day.